Welcome to section 6 of Motivation for Peak Performance. In the next few slides, we're going to talk about motivating others. By default, people are either motivated or unmotivated. There's another leadership approach when it comes to motivation. You can think of it as a different angle. There's this belief that you are either self-motivated or not. You are either a pessimist or an optimist. They approach these types of motivation from a different angle. They approach it from the angle of inspiration. This study show that or promote that it is better to approach motivation from the angle of inspiration. You can use carrots and sticks, but it may not be effective in the long run. Sometimes it's the environment. The work environment forces demotivation in the workplace or creates inspiration. How about you? What culture are you building for your teams? How are you inspiring them? Are you building a culture of motivated employees or are you building a culture of demotivated employees? What culture are you building?